So we're talking is branching if else if, switch slash case. So what's the if else statement? So the if statement checks the condition and executes the block of code if the condition is true. And if it's false, the else block is executed. So this is the syntax. So if the Boolean expression is true, print the yes statement. If not, print the no statement. Then we also have the else if statement. The else if is used when you have multiple conditions to check in sequence. If the first if condition is false, the program checks the conditions in the else if blocks. So right here's an example. We have a variable x equal 9. We also have right here our if. So if x is equal to 9, we print out x is equal to 9. Or if it's not, we move to the else if statement, which is if x is less than 9, x is greater than 9. This prints out. If this doesn't work, if this is false, if these two are false, we go to the else, which we print out x is less than 9. So right here, I will put the value of x is 8. We print out x is less than 9, the last statement. Finally, what's the switch slash case? So the switch statement is used when you have many possible conditions for the same variable, and you want to check its value. Each case corresponds to a value of the variable, and the break statement exits the switch once the case is executed. Basically saying you tell the computer what you're checking, so like what day it is. So right here, I'm checking if it's either Wednesday, Thursday, Tuesday, Monday, etc. So this right here is just checking the value of day. In the case right here, we basically check if the day matches any of these values, like 1, 2, or 3. Then finally, the break is just like after the case runs, it just stops checking the other cases. So just print this out. So for example, we'll print out Wednesday since I put the value. However, if I change it to, let's say, 5, I print this. And we print Friday instead. So just like basically the value you put, except like let's say if you put 10, there's no 10 days in a week. So go to default right here. So basically the else statement. These are all if else statements, but like switch in case, or just cleaner, more organized ways of doing this.